Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for you, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. In today's video, I have a what's in my bag, and this is the Coach Zip Top Tote, and I'll be showing you what's in my bag, and this is basically to give you an idea of what fits in this bag. I'm gonna do a separate video review of this bag. So right now, I just want to show you what fits in my bag, so stay tuned. So this is the Zip Top Tote, and I think if I remember correctly, this is in the color chalk. I got this around Christmas time, so I don't remember, but I'll look it up and I'll put it in the caption just to make sure I'm right on the color. But this comes in different colors, and again, I will do a review on it, but right now this is just for the sake of showing you what fits in the bag. Mother's Day is coming up, so I know a lot of you need Mother's Day gift ideas, and you know, I got this bag for my mom 2 years ago, the Christmas of 2021. I got it for her in black and she loves it. So this one is similar to the gallery tote, but this one is smaller than the gallery tote, and I just want to tell you for reference, like, it's wide at the bottom and then it tapers in at the top. So yeah, it's a small bag. It's a medium-sized bag. And it's very dainty, very cute, so you can't fit too much stuff, but you kind of can, but you'll see in a minute. So I have a water bottle in the bag so that I can show you. Normally I have a water bottle with me. Now, with all of the other things that I have in the bag, and I'll show you right now, I have some notebooks and some bags and stuff like that. The water bottle will fit inside with the other things in there, but it's not gonna close all the way. It can if you kind of force it, but again, that's why I just told you that the bag is wider at the bottom and it tapers. You see, it's wide at the bottom and then it gets smaller gradually as it goes to the top. If the top was the same width as the bottom, then it would most likely be able to close. So the good thing is it has a zipper at the top for those of you who don't want to have your bag open all the time. But I just wanted to point that out to you. Of course, it has the gold trim here and the hang tag here, and I'll get more into that in the review. So the water bottle will fit, but as you can see, with all this stuff in there, it won't close, but when I take it out, it will close. So I have my planner. Can't do anything without my planner. I have several planners, and this is just one of them, and this one says Finding Joy in Her Everyday Life. I got this in 2020. It's from 2022 to 2023, so I think it's like an 18-month calendar. And then I'm able to fit a composition notebook. I write all my ideas for my YouTube videos and other stuff. This one right now is just for my YouTube videos. I have one for like each subject that I'm working on, and I'm not in school. It's just that personally I'm always expanding my knowledge and awareness, and I write all the time, so I always need a notebook. So now I have my little Coach. This is the a little zippered pouch that I got 2 years ago, I think. I have a review on it, and just little knickknacks inside of that. I got a little thing of Vaseline and cortisone, a little mirror, feminine product. Always try to carry that with me. So this is so cute. They have this, but not with this style. This is the vintage rose. So yeah, I have that in there. I also have, as you can see now as I'm taking it out, what it's looking like. My eyeglasses, my sunglasses, and these are my YSL shades, which I really, really, really love. But this is not about the shades, but just to show you what you can fit inside your bag. These are like everyday essentials that you're most likely gonna wanna have in your bag. So I have a little coin purse And this is for change. I know a lot of people don't carry cash anymore, but I try to, because I live in New York City and I always come across a lot of homeless people. I like to help them out, but I like to have money designated already. Like if I don't have the money designated, then I'm not going through my purse, because you know, you have to be careful out there. So usually I try, if I remember, because I remember to put aside a certain amount. When that amount is gone, that's it. I'm not helping anyone anymore. But yeah, I try to do my best to keep my change or dollar bills set aside, so when I meet people who ask me for money or homeless or whatever who need money, I give it. Whatever they do is their business, but I know the Lord said we are supposed to give to the poor, so that's what I do. Whatever they do with the money, that's on them. But yeah, so I have a card case. This is like for, I put my business cards in here, you guys know, or for those of you who don't know, I have a business, kharyzmaforyou.com, and I sell lip gloss and other cosmetics and other little things too. I also sell hair accessories on my Etsy shop. So I keep my cards with me in case anyone, you know, sometimes you meet people and they like, what do you do? What do you do? And I just tell them there's change in here. Then I have just a little keychain on it. And then this is a pod case, but I have the old school like headphones in here. And then I'm taping with my phone, but this would be what my phone would be in, like I would keep it here. And then I travel with pens, I'm always writing. So that pretty much empties out. Oh, and then I have lip gloss. This is my lip gloss, but I pretty much emptied out the bag. So just so you know, the bag inside has this space here, and then it has one compartment here, like a pocket, and then across from the pocket, it has two other pockets for your cell phone or whatever else you want. So 3 pockets in total. And then this is what it looks like zipped up. So as you can see, it tapers in at the top. You see what I'm saying? How it's big at the bottom and it tapers in at the top. Now, someone did write to me to ask if it could fit a laptop. I have a 15-inch laptop, and I'm gonna show you. I just learned today, but I want to show you. Now, if you want to keep the bag open, you can put it like this on the side, and it's gonna, you see, it's gonna stick out. And the other way, it cannot fit. It's just like just a little bit. If it was a little bit wider, it would be able to fit. But no, it cannot fit. Now, I know there are smaller laptops, so maybe a 10-inch laptop, I'm guessing a 10-inch would fit. Yeah, I think so, because you see how it is at the side right there. This is 15 inches, so yeah, I'm guessing a 10-inch laptop would fit in here. Maybe you couldn't close it if you had other stuff. Maybe you could close it if you just put the 10-inch laptop in there alone. So yeah, that's to answer the person's question. So now I'm gonna show you, like, see with the water bottle, what I was telling you before, with all that stuff in it, it was kind of hard to close it. So with the water bottle alone, you can close it. So I guess if you want to have the water bottle and be able to close it, just don't put too many things. Like, see, I'm gonna put in, the water bottle's already in there. I'm gonna put in this notebook, and then I'm gonna put in the other planner, this, and I'll put this in, I'll put this just so you can get an idea. So I put the planner, the notebook, and this little zip pouch, and the water bottles in there. And yeah, you can zip it up. So you can put the water bottle in there, just don't stuff it with a lot of things. So yeah, as you can see, it's a nice little dainty bag. It's a combination of a tote and then a nice little cute bag. Yeah, and I'll talk more about it in my review. So definitely check out my review. I did do an unboxing of this bag in case you want to see how, you know, you get it in the mail. But I think this would be an awesome gift for Mother's Day, or to yourself for Mother's Day, or to your mother for Mother's Day, or any type of gift. It's really, really cute, but I'll do more of it in the review. And really quickly, you can see it on my side, but I'll do more in the review. So if you guys want to know how to get a discount on this bag, you can sign up for Rakuten. Rakuten is a website where you sign up for it, and the good thing about it is if you sign up using my discount code or using my referral code, you'll get $30 and I'll get $30 if you sign up, but you will not get the $30 until you make a purchase. So it's a win-win. Why? Because Rakuten is affiliated with so many brands and online stores and stuff like that. Coach is one of them. Saks is another one. Macy's, Target, all the stores that you already shop at, they are partnered with Rakuten. And basically Rakuten is a rebate program. When you go on the website, you sign up, and when you're ready to make a purchase, like for example, if you knew that you wanted this bag right now, today, or next week, or whatever, you would sign up for Rakuten, use my referral code, and then when you're ready to make a purchase, go on the Rakuten website and then click on Coach or whatever, or it should already be kind of embedded in your computer. So when you do that, when you go on the Coach website, Rakuten should automatically just come up and say, okay, this is the cashback amount. Now the cashback amounts change. Sometimes Coach gives like 3% back, 10% back. I like to shop when they're giving 10% back. And so, yeah, that's what you do. And then when you make that purchase on Coach through Rakuten, both of us will get $30. And yeah, but you will not get the $30 if you don't make a purchase. Like I have some people who have already signed up, and Rakuten lets me know who signs up. It shows, I think, their email or just their name, but it gives me reminders like, remind your people who signed up to make a purchase, because we won't get the $30 if you don't make a purchase. So please make a purchase. Even if you shop at Target and you sign up, buy something at Target online, and then we'll both get the $30 and you'll get your rebate, whatever the rebate is that the store is giving. So that's one way that you can definitely save money. Another extra tip that I'll give you as well is if you use Rakuten and then you have a credit card where you know you're going to pay off the balance at the end of the month, or however you want to do it. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but if your card offers cash back, then you're getting double cash back. Like some cards can give up to 10% cash back, 5% cash back. When you're making purchases like for the luxury bags, it's a win-win, because you get cash back from your credit card, you'll get cash back from Rakuten, and trust me, if you're a shopper, those points add up. If you just want to shop at Target for your groceries, whatever it might be, those rebate points add up, and Rakuten will send you your money either by PayPal or they will send you a check in the mail. You can choose what you want. So definitely, guys, sign up for Rakuten using my referral code right here. I'll leave the link in the description. Click on the link, it'll take you to Rakuten so you can get money off. Now I know one more discount you can get, and I've been having issues with Coach when I give my referral code with that. What the issue with that is, they give you $10 off of your purchase and me $20, but they continue to change the referral code. So if you're watching this video 6 months down the line or a year down the line, and I'm talking about the Coach referral, not Rakuten, this is Coach. They keep changing my referral codes, and I don't know why they do that. So people write to me like, I'm trying to get the $10 off using your referral code, but whatever. So please bear with me. If it's in the description, that means that I put a new one up and it's working. But bear in mind, if you're watching this video like 6 months later or a year later, it might change. Just leave me a note and then I'll have to do it again. But yeah, that's a Coach issue. But as far as Rakuten is concerned, definitely sign up for that. Rakuten is awesome. I've gotten lots and lots of rebates from them. And also, if you have a credit card that has cash back, definitely do that. So I hope you can save some money, get your mom a wonderful Mother's Day gift, and stay tuned for the review of this bag, and look at my Coach playlist, because I have a playlist with Coach bags only. I have a playlist with other bags. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can get more uploads of my bags, things like that. And give this video a like. You guys watch the videos and some of you do not like or share. Shame on you. If you're watching this video now, give this video a like, please. Please and thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.